Thank you, sir. Good evening to all dignitaries, guests, and delegates. With great joy and immense exultation, I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all who are present here. Sir, please may I share my presentation?
Yeah, please proceed.
Thank you, sir. Today, I think Today, I think that I am so lucky that for marking the 14th World Autism Awareness Week. And it is a matter of great privilege to find internationally the homeopathic doctors, students, and homeopathic lovers. We all are in one platform. Nowadays, autistic child are not a burden nor a curse, rather than they are blessings for us if we take proper care and train them. An autistic child can change our society, and the only thing we need is everyone's help and honest contribution. I think there is a way that homeopath doctors can work side by side with autistic child by homeopathic treatment. Homeopathy is a treatment of totality of the symptom without any side effects. At first, we see what is autism. Leo Kanner is a former child psychologist at Johns Hopkins University, first introduced autism to the medical literature in 1943. The number of the people diagnosed with autism has increased dramatically since 1980s in developed countries, but some later in developing countries. Autism is a complex developmental disorder condition which neurological component difficulty with interaction and processing information. Autism is also called autism spectrum disorder. It is a complicated condition that includes problem with the communication and behavior. It can involve a wide range of symptoms and skills. ASD can be a minor problem or a disability that needs full-time care in a special facility. According to the government statistics, there are about 3 lakh autistic people in Bangladesh. This year, the 14th annual World Autism Awareness Day is being observed with the theme Risk Reduction in the Post-Pandemic World Opportunities to be Expanded in Workplace, marking the Golden Jubilee of Independence of Bangladesh. Taka 10,000 is being distributed to each of the 2,500 people with neural developmental disabilities in financial assistance for treatment. Types of autism. Level 1, autism spectrum disorder. Secondly, childhood disintegrative disorder. Number 3, classic autistic disorder. And number 4, pervasive developmental disorder, otherwise specified. At first, we see autism spectrum disorder. These children don't have a problem with language. In fact, they tend to score in the average or above average range on intelligence test. But they have a social problem, and a narrow scope of interest. Then, autistic disorder. This is what most people think of when they hear the word autism. It refers to the problem with social interaction, communication, and play in children younger than 3 years. Childhood disintegrative disorder. These children have typical development for at least 2 years and then lose some or most of their communication and social skills. Last one, pervasive development disorder. Child has some autistic behavior like delays in social and communication skills. What are the signs of the autism? The child may look at one object constantly, does not give eye contact on calling, does not respond to their name, does not give social smile, does not recognize family members. It steeped in their own world. Top early signs of autism. In the picture, we see first one is hyperactivity, tiptoeing, hysterics, depression, intolerance of sound, rejecting cuddles, ignoring the danger. Symptoms of autism: a lack of eye contact, a narrow range of interest, doing something over and over, like repeating words or phrases, rocking back and forth, or flipping a lever. High sensitivity to sound, touches, smells, or sight that seem ordinary to the other people, not looking at or listening to the other people, not looking at things when another person points at them, not wanting to be held or cuddled, problem understanding or using speech, gesture, facial expressions, or tone of voice, talking in a sing song, flat, or robotic voice, trouble adapting to changes in routine. People with autism have difficulty with communication. They have trouble in understanding what other people think and feel. This makes it hard for them to express themselves, either the words or through gestures or facial expression or touch. People with autism might have problems with learning. Their skills might develop unevenly.
Excuse me, Dr. Samina, your slide is not moving. You
No, sir,
can go.
I am speaking. Then my
Okay,
slide will.
okay. Then no problem. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Their skills might develop unevenly. For example, they have trouble in communications, but usually they are good at art, music, math, or memory. Causes of autism. The exact cause of ASD is unknown. The most current research demonstrates that there is no single cause. Unusually, fast growth in certain brain regions, enlarged head and brains due to their cortex expand too quickly in infancy, start to shrink prematurely before their mid 20 weeks. Excess cerebrospinal fluid appears as early 6 months of age and persists through 3 years. Having an immediate family members with autism. Fragile, fragile X syndrome and other genetic disorder. Being born to older parents, low birth weight, metabolic imbalance, exposure to heavy metals and environmental toxins, a history of viral infections, fetal exposure to the medications, valproic acid, or thalidomide. Diagnosis of autism. An ASD diagnosis involves several different screenings, such as different screenings, genetic test, and evaluation. A developmental screening of a child is on track with basic skills like learning, speaking, behavior, and moving. Children are routinely checked, especially for autism, at their 18-month and 24-month checkups. Children show signs of a problem of this screening. They will need a more complete evaluation. They might include hearing and vision test in genetic test or genetic test. Other screening and test, children's physician may recommend a combination of tests for autism, including DNA test for genetic diseases, behavior evaluation, occupational therapy screening, developmental questionnaire such as Autism Diagnostic Observation Schedule. Long before, parents were aimless regarding their autistic child. But in this period, digital information technology, people are eager to know how to fight back for their children. Nowadays, autism is no more a problem. It was a possible for the farsightedness of our Honorable Prime Minister's daughter, Saima Wajid Hussain. She is a chairperson of National Advisory Committee on Autism and Neurodevelopmental Disorder. She is a member of the World Organization's 25-member expert advisory panel on mental health. For her, bold footsteps in Bangladesh is moving forward to fight against autism and make this world a beautiful place for the autistic child to live in. Homeopath doctors needs the favorable chance to heal autism. Homeopathy has shown some great results in treatment of autism in Bangladesh, but that are scatteredly, treating in urban or rural areas. Behavior modification through homeopathic medicine is possible, and this fact can be well documented. In, in case studies have estimated that homeopathic medicine bring about a positive change for a wide range of symptoms in autistic children. They also help in reducing child's hyperactivity, irritability, or aggressive behavior, if any. If you are looking for the right medical intervention for your child suffering from autism, take homeopathic treatment. Some homeopathic medicine that may work for autism. I just share few medicine with you. Homeopathic medicine do not merely act on any particular organs or symptom of the individual, but has much deeper holistic and central action on one's psychoendocrinological and psychoimmunological axis. Homeopathy works well to correct the autistic child accentuated state of sensitivity. It helps to improve their fine motor skills as well as enhance their perceptual difficulties. There are so many medicines. I think you all are experts in homeopathy. Just I share my views with you. Uh, Firstly, I select Athusa inapium. Athusa inapium, the characteristic symptoms relate mainly to the brain and nervous system, connected with gastrointestinal disturbance, restless, anxious, disconnected, uneasy, and violent. Inability to think, to fix the attention, anguish, crying, and expression to uneasiness and discontent. Lead to this remedy from frequent in disease and children. If I consider Agaricus miscardius, child sings, talks, but does not answer. Singing, shouting, muttering rhymes, talk intelligent, continuously changes topics. Twitching in muscle is marked symptom. Aversion to work, does not want to do his daily household. Talks continuously and jump over one to another topics. Sings, talk, but does not answer. Great mental excitement, mental confusion. Barita curve, weak memory, idiotic child, shyness with low confidence, aversion to strangers, hides himself behind chair, physically draw of stunted growth, tendency of recurrent tonsillitis, very sensitive to cold air, cold weather. Excellent homeopathic remedy for children with autism who have low IQ. Loss of memory, mental weakness, loss of confidence in himself, bashful, aversion to strangers, childish, do not grow and develop. They are backward physically and mentally, very averse to meeting strangers. Carcinosin. Car- Calcarea fur. Oh, sorry. Carcinosin. Wonderful homeopathic medicine for autism. Autism spectrum disorder. Child is mild. Hyperactivity is not marked in carcinosin patient. May be interest in art, drawing, singing, and coloring, etc. Affectionate and sympathetic patient. Autism in child with family history of cancer or strong history of diabetes and coronary artery disease in both paternal and maternal families. Child, if often slow but agreeable and caring. Calcarea fos. Anemic children with, who are peevish and irritable. Strong desire to go out. Traveling motion desires. Recurrent tonsillitis. Pain on opening of mouth. Mouth breathing. Infant want to nurse all the time and vomits easily. Craving for salted smoked meat. High cyanomies. Low muttering speech. Very suspicious, talkative, uh, obscene, jealous, foolish. Great hilarity, inclined to laugh at everything. Quarrelsome, uncover body, purposeless movements. Purposeless movement always doing, no love for near ones. Calibrometum, homeopathic medicine for autism where child moves purposelessly, hand flipping, fidgety hands, loss of memory, can pronounce any word told but cannot speak otherwise. Night delusions, horrid illusions. Lycopodium. Anxious child specially appears in public, obstinate, domineering, does not share thing, anticipatory anxiety, desire for sweet and warm food, intolerance for cold drinks. Weak, precocious child, anger violent, irritable child. Aversion to company but needs someone in house.